Apple AirPods, 3rd generation. Unleash your sound. Tech lovers, get ready to supercharge your audio setup. Meet the Apple AirPods, 3rd generation, the ultimate earbuds designed to transform your sound experience. With a sleek, refined design and an improved fit, these earbuds don't just look stunning, they feel amazing too. Whether you're at work, on the go, or cozy at home, they're all about comfort and style. Pop them in, and the journey begins. From deep bass to crisp highs, the sound quality is breathtaking. Every playlist, podcast, and video springs to life. But here's the kicker, spatial audio. It's like having a personal concert or private theatre. Feel totally immersed, whether you're enjoying music or catching the latest blockbuster. Need to take a call? No hassle? Dual beamforming microphones make sure your voice cuts through, loud and clear. Your long-distance chat's just got an upgrade. And fitness fans, rejoice. With sweat and water resistance, these AirPods are perfect for your toughest workouts or outdoor marathons. No need to worry about battery anxiety. Get up to 30 hours of playback with the charging case included. That's nearly a week's worth of sound on a single charge. Tech enthusiasts, this is a game changer. Elevate your audio game and unlock the power of seamless tech with the Apple AirPods 3rd generation. Click the link below to grab yours today. Don't miss out.